Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful flower coaster. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn for my project. You can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. First of all, make a slip knot, and then with the help of crochet hook we would make chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and after making these 4 chains we would make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, because we would work into this ring of chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this, go into this ring and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 2 into the ring, which is actually third one including 3 chain. Then make double crochet 4 into the ring, make double crochet 5, then double crochet 6, and in this way make 10 more double crochet stitches into this ring, total of 16 including 3 chain. So I have made a total of 16 double crochet stitches into this ring. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Here is our third chain. Make a slip stitch into it and our first round is completed. For the second round, make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet in this round also. Then wrap the yarn, go into this same third chain and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops, because in this round we would make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the stitch. Now go into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3 and make 2 double crochet stitches into this stitch. Now go into the next double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches into it also. Then go into the next double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way make 2 double crochets in each of the stitch of first round. I have made all double crochet stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain to start the third round. Make 3 chains for the third round. This would be our simple stitch. And now into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3 we would make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Then we would make a simple double crochet stitch without increase into the next stitch. Then into the next one we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch again. So in this third round we would make 2 double crochets in one stitch and 1 double crochet into the other stitch. So we would just make an increase after every one stitch, and we would complete our third round by following the same process of making 2 double crochet then 1 double crochet till the end. So I have made all double crochet stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and start the fourth round with 3 chains. Now into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3 make a double crochet, and we have 2 simple stitches here without any increase including chain 3 into the next stitch, which is the third one. we would make 2 double crochet stitches, which is our increased stitch. Now into the next 2 stitches, make 2 double crochet stitches, 1, then 2 into the next stitch, and after these 2 stitches into the third one, we would make 2 double crochet stitches, 1, and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Again make 2 double crochet stitches into the next 2 stitches, and then make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, which is our increased stitch, and in this way we would just complete this round following the same process. So I have completed this 4th row. Now we would change the color here. Now I am using a blue color yarn. We would make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain with this change color yarn, and we would start our 5th round here. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. And now we would make a double crochet into the double crochet stitch which is next to chain 3. Now we have 2 double crochet stitches here including 3 chain. Now make 2 chains, and we would skip 1 double crochet stitch and work into the next one. Make a double crochet in it, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch also. Again make 2 chains, skip 1 double crochet stitch, start working into the next one, make a double crochet in it, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch also. Then again make 2 chains, skip 1 double crochet stitch, start working into the next one, and in the next 2 make 2 double crochet stitches, regular double crochet stitches. So in this way we would skip 1 double crochet, make 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So I have made this row and I have 2 double crochet stitches here left. This makes no difference. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain and make chain 1. We would work in between the space of double crochet and this chain 3 right here. So make a single crochet stitch in between the chain 3 and a double crochet stitch. Now we would work into this chain 2 space here. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. Now we would work in between this space of 2 double crochet stitches. So make a single crochet in it. This is our first shell. Make the second shell into the next chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. Now again we would make a single crochet stitch in between the space of these 2 double crochet stitches, and in this way we would make shells of 5 double crochet stitches in every chain 2 space, and we would complete our round. I have made all double crochet stitches here. Now make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round and then pull the yarn. Now just cut the extra yarn strand with the help of cutter and remove it. Now we will weave these yarn ends with the help of tapestry needle. So I have woven all the yarn ends at the back side and our coaster is ready. I hope you like it. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up and just don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.